folks, welcome to Guarantee RV here in Junction City this afternoon. Today I'd like to present to you this 25P. It is a 2017 model. Winnebago makes this coach. It comes on a Mercedes diesel chassis, very popular these days. This is very roomy for a 25-foot coach, very open feel, lots of windows so you get a lot of bright light, natural light. It does have a corner bed, a TV back here, great storage up above. Good sized bathroom area. This has a little, I guess you could call it like a pocket door. And Norcold refrigerator. Comes with a 2-burner propane Dinette cooktop. Here we have storage, lots of good storage for this size coach. Microwave here, and this is your sink. Good storage. There we go. Big enough for cereal boxes, that type of thing. And a nice dinette with a big open window here. A little TV. This coach does not have an overhead bunk. Great cab area. Like I said before, it is on a Mercedes diesel chassis. This coach does come with full body paint, so this is going to stay looking nice for a long time. Storage here. Little storage area here. Here. Nice big awning, covers almost the full length of the coach. This Via has a backup camera. This is your outside water area and your power cord, and place for your hose there to store. This is a nice little storage area, nice and tall in there. And this coach comes with a door on the driver's side only. Folks, if you have any questions about this coach or any other coach that we have on our lot, please feel free to give me a call at the number you see below on the screen or my cell number, 541-505-0292. Thank you.